Yeehaw! I always wanted to get a vise for this area ready. Finally got one. Today I want to install it. What do you think? Looks good, doesn't it? What I have is the Central Forge multi-purpose vise with anvil. It's a 5-inch vise, 360-degree locking swivel base, 5-inch maximum jaw width, 2.85-inch jaw throat, 5-inch maximum jaw opening. That's this way. And it also has a 2-inch pipe jaw capacity. So you can put round objects in this area and that you can hold them securely. There's the anvil. I've been wanting to put a vise here for a while. All it's going to take is me finishing out the top for the bench. This is going to go right here like so. I got to rip it down. Underneath there is going to be another board that I have to put underneath here. So I'm going to have to trim this board so it fits right butt up against here and here, so I can mark screw holes and mount the vise on top of here, but this is going to be mounted up underneath here. I got to open this up first to find out my sizes and about where I'm going to put it. That's a big old vise, which is kind of nice. Dang. This is actually better than I thought it was going to be. I might be getting another one of these for the garage. It's definitely a nice vise. Now it's pretty critical that you get this thing set where you want it. See, on the bottom here it only has three mount holes. So when mounting the vise, you should have 2 in front and 1 in back along the edge here. That's about the best place to put it. And then it could be going right about like that. That looks about right. I'll leave plenty of room so it turns. This is definitely a better vise than what I have out in the garage right now. Oh, it even has a little ruler back here. Huh. Yeah. These are actually pretty good price. The comparable at the big box store is $99. This one at Harbor Freight was $79, and then I used a 20% discount coupon, and so I got it for $59. And I'm telling you, for $59, this is the one. Very, very cool. Very cool. Well, I can stop looking at vise porn now. I'll get to installing it. And first I gotta cut this top and then cut this piece of wood here, which will go like so. kind of eyeballing it, that's all. It doesn't have to be exact. Trying to get this lengthwise. So we'll cut this off. And I gotta cut an angle right here. A little 45. Right about there. So we'll bring this down here. So cut here, and cut here. And then this will butt up real nice inside here. And let's mark this top. Yeah, looks good. There we go. Wood glue. Let me see if I can go ahead and stick my hand. Wood glue. Oops. That always happens. Damn. Doesn't always happen like that though. Oof. Ah, get rid of that excess. Wood glue! Hell yeah. And this one on the bottom's doing just fine. Okay. Let me put my wood glue away here. Line up the vise. This has got to be 1.5 inches away. 3/4 and 3/4 1.5 inches. So we'll go 1 3/4 inches. Inch and 3/4. And then this one's 3/4 of an inch. See these lines and that writing? That's character. Like so. And let me get this back one in here. Like so. Make sure I can spin it without any interference. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay. Let's get some holes on here. Now, I get some carriage bolts. Well, let's get this done. I had a brief time out. I had to take care of a garage door. That's going to be a future fix that I'm going to show here on this channel, how I fixed this garage door. It's a very unique fix, so that's the reason why I'm going to show it. It's just not like going to the store and buying a part. So make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And if you do, you'll catch it first. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so I was going to go ahead and try and find bolts for these carriage bolts. But didn't have any. And I wasn't going to go to the store. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these shorter carriage bolts because I could find bolts for these. They're all the same size, but they are shorter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put this in place. Oops. Put this in place. Remember, I made my mark out here. Just kind of set that as best as I can. Here. Now I got that board up underneath there where I'm going to bolt the carriage bolts through. That means I got to drill a hole and attach these bolts to mount this vise. Right about there. And there. Now I got my 3 spots to drill out. Now what I got to do is, since these are so short, they are about 2 inches. Remember, I got a 3/4 inch board here, then I got another 3/4 inch board up underneath here, and then plus this height right here, which is about, I'm going to call it about a 1/2 inch. So that's 3/4 and 3/4, it's 1.5 inches, plus another 1/2 inch is 2 inches. These won't reach all the way through. So what I'm going to have to do is drill first a guide hole so I can go ahead and take a Forster bit and drill up to bring this part of the bolt into the piece of wood on the bottom. And that'll give me my 1/4 inch that I'm going to need. As you can see, I got 2 bolts in, and let's go down for the 3rd one now. Let's hope that's enough. Whoops. Well, gosh darn it, every once in a while I do get lucky. I was able to find a couple nuts, and it looks like they're going to do the trick. Let me go ahead and square these things down and see what happens here. I need an extension. Right to the top, and this is secure. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. We'll see when I put something in here to torque down all this stuff. And then of course you got the spin around to go ahead and put your circle stock in here. Let's test this out. Let's put something round. Yeah, excellent. Look at that. Yeah, that works out pretty good. This way your crap ain't falling down the side there, and you can still get whatever it is that you need to do with it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Close this up. And we'll bring this around. Now, I really like this degree wheel here. The only thing I don't like about it is, come on baby, why ain't it moving? Oh, you're gonna have that loose. Okay. Wow, that's pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about it is there's not an index mark to find true zero. Now, I don't know about you, one of the hardest things for me to do consistently is put my stuff away. I don't know why it's such a big problem, but it is. I just leave stuff laying all over the place, and then when I go to look for something, yeah, you spend more time looking for what you need than actually doing what you need to do. I'm trying to get better at it, and hopefully I can go ahead and succeed in mastering this. Okay, so we got that, we got this. We have our Vise. I don't even think I looked at this. Okay, so this is it. It's installed. No extra parts. It's going to be a sturdy little vise. I really do like it. I like the design. I like the attempted extra features. The ruler in back and the degrees. I'm going to figure out something to do with this. There's got to be a way of using this as an actual degree wheel. I like the multiple vise heads. The flat vise and the round vise. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video. I am definitely going to buy one of these for my bench out in the garage. This is definitely a good deal. You can compare these at $99 at the big box store. They have one that's almost exactly like this. Different color, different manufacturer. But this one I got for $59. And it's using the 20% coupon. I can't complain. I can't complain. It's a good vise. Now, hopefully, as you were watching this, you weren't so compelled by my dramatic assembly tactics that you caught the giveaway. And what you got to do to qualify for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Wish y'all good luck. And as soon as we get 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing the giveaway. So if you have to, rewind the video. There's important information of how you qualify. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really detest this video, I want you to give it a thumbs down. And either way, leave a message. I'd like to hear what you think about this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Clicking that subscribe button is very important. I'm just an average guy. Just doing average things. With an average toolbox. It's dirty as all hell. Have a good one, Al. Thanks for watching.